In a previous video I made this bridge. I didn't say a lot in that video, but now it's time to go over the steps I've done cutting this bridge. So let me walk you through this project. Getting back on the bridge build, let's go over that build very quickly, just to explain some of the techniques or cuts I've used. As you've noticed, I worked with a solid block for 2 by 2 inch and 5 inch long, and out of this block I made the bridge. Now, you already may have found out the PDF you can download, where you can actually have the template of this bridge, so you can cut the bridge out, which is actually what I did. I first started to cut out the shape looking at the bridge from the side, and once I had it, imagine it's here, I flipped it and I cut off both sides. I also gave them a mark on each side, so I know that the left side belongs to the left side and the right side to the right side, because if your cut is a bit off and you switch them, they might not fit that nicely. In the PDF you can see the steps that are 1/5 of an inch high, and by simply adjusting the fence on the proxen, I could go in on one side to a specific point, flip the block and repeat, and by simply shifting my guider 1/5 of an inch every time, I got the incisions exactly on 1/5 of an inch, and thus getting the levels of the stairs. So with these incisions, skipping 1/5 of an inch every time, you get the elevation, the stairs. And with every elevation you go also 1/5 of an inch further into the foam, so the stairs actually go in a 45-degree angle. Now, I'm just talking about it, but the most simple thing is, as you can see in the PDF, just draw them on the foam. And you also seen that I made the horizontal cuts with the hot wire and the vertical cuts with a scalpel knife. Both are possible. Now, going 1 inch deep with a scalpel knife is way too difficult, but actually working from the top, if every horizontal cut is made with the hot wire, you can use the scalpel with the vertical cuts, and that works very well. One side, the other side, and actually when you've done that, your bridge is already there. It's the basic shape, one side, two sides, and the pavement is already there. And when it comes to structuring, you've seen me do a very quick piece of structuring, which wasn't that nice, but it was more like to show you what you can do in a specific amount of time. Well, yes, I think that's more or less it, what I wanted to say about the bridge. Again, you can make a lot of variations. If you happen to try it out, let me please show me your work. I dare you to make a bridge with sections that go left to right, or higher and wider and stranger bridges using this technique. yeah, I would say on to the next build. Thank you for watching, and keep on crafting.